Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Mah Jongg. Let's start with the setup. First, you'll need 144 tiles, 4 racks, and a pair of dice. Begin by shuffling all the tiles face down to form a long wall of 2 layers. Each of the 4 players then builds a section of this wall, making it 17 tiles long and 2 tiles high. Finally, roll the dice to determine who will be the east wind, the starting dealer for the game. Understanding the tiles is key to playing Mah Jongg. There are 3 main suits: bamboos, characters, and dots, each numbered from 1 to 9. Beyond these, you'll find honor tiles, which include the 4 winds east, south, west, and north, and the 3 dragons, red, green, and white. Additionally, there are special bonus tiles like flowers and seasons. A complete Mah Jongg set typically contains 4 identical copies of each of the 136 basic tiles, plus the bonus tiles. The primary objective in Mah Jongg is to be the first player to form a winning hand. This winning hand consists of exactly 14 tiles. Generally, a winning hand is composed of 4 sets and 1 pair. A set can be either a pung, which means 3 identical tiles, or a chow, which is 3 consecutive tiles of the same suit. The final component is a pair, which simply means 2 identical tiles. It's all about strategic tile collection. Now, let's talk about playing around. The game proceeds with players drawing and discarding tiles in turn, all while working towards completing their winning hand. The east wind player begins by drawing the very first tile from the wall. During play, you can strategically call for a tile that another player has discarded to complete a pung, chow, or a 4-of-a-kind called a kong. The round concludes when one player successfully declares Mah Jongg with a valid 14-tile hand, winning the game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.